you never made money with affiliate marketing, it usually comes down to two things. You do not know what to promote, and you do not know who to sell it to. What changed everything for me was realizing both of those are data problems, not skill problems. And data problems have a solution. In the next few minutes, I will show you the free AI system I use to solve both, step by step. So let's start with the first problem, the product. Most affiliates pick products based on opinions, something they saw in a Facebook group, a random recommendation on YouTube, or something another creator promotes. The problem is simple. You end up following opinions instead of buyers. A better source already exists: Amazon bestsellers. Amazon updates this list constantly based on real purchases, which means every product here already has demand. So instead of guessing what people want, you look at what people are already buying. Here is exactly what I do. I open Amazon bestsellers in a niche related to my audience: appliances, electronics, home and kitchen, home improvement, anything like that. From this page, I want 4 things: product name, price, star rating, and review count. Those 4 signals quickly show which products have demand and strong social proof. The problem is collecting the data. Opening every product and copying information into a spreadsheet takes a long time. So this is where I use a tool called Thunderbit. Thunderbit is an AI web scraper that pulls structured data from websites automatically. It works as a Chrome extension, and it takes about a minute to set up. If you want to try it, I left the link in the description. Let me show you exactly how I use it. So I open it while I am on the Amazon page. First thing it asks is, where do you want to pull data from? I select the current page, which is the Amazon bestsellers page I am already on, and move forward. Then it asks how to navigate the page. I just hit AI auto detect and let Thunderbit handle it. Pagination, scrolling, page structure, it figures all of that out on its own. Nothing to configure. Now here is the part that actually surprised me the first time I used this. It pulls up a scraper template, and it has already identified exactly what I need: product name, price, original price, rating, review count. I did not build any of this. The AI read the page and created the fields on its own. If anything is missing, I can hit AI improve fields. But honestly, it almost always nails it. All right, I hit run now, and within seconds, I have a complete structured table: every product, every price, every rating, every review count. What just took 30 seconds used to take me an hour of opening tabs and copying by hand. I export this straight into Google Sheets. All right, so here you can see the table. We have the product name, the product link, the price, the rating, and the number of reviews. Now the next step is sorting the data. First, select the entire table, then go to Data at the top, click Sort. From here, you can sort by different signals. You can sort by price, rating, or number of reviews. What I usually do is sort by rating first. So now you start seeing the strongest products at the bottom. For example, look at this one. It has a 4.8 star rating and more than 110,000 reviews. That tells you 2 things immediately: people buy it and people like it, which means this is the kind of product worth promoting. So from here, you simply grab the product link, open the product page, and then generate your affiliate link. And just like that, you can identify a winning product in about 60 seconds without guessing. Now, let's solve the second problem: who to sell to. Even if you have a killer product, you'll fail if you just promote it to random people or buy those outdated lead lists. That's a waste of time. Instead, I collect fresh data directly from public directories. One of the best is Clutch.co. It's a directory of real, verified businesses and agencies. If you're an affiliate for marketing tools, SaaS, or automation software, these companies are your goldmine. Let me show you a real example. I promote ManyChat as an affiliate. It helps businesses automate Instagram and Facebook messages to turn comments into leads automatically. So, my ideal buyer is a social media marketing agency. They can use this tool for all their clients, which means more recurring commissions for me. On the Clutch website, I go to the marketing category in the header and then select social media marketing. But before I scrape anything, I apply 2 quick filters to save time. First, I select the United States to find high-budget leads. Second, I filter the employee size to 2 to 10 or 1049. Smaller agencies are usually the best target. The owners often read their own emails and are much more open to testing new tools. Now, instead of wasting hours clicking every profile one by one, I open Thunderbit. I select Current Page and hit Next. From here, I choose AI Auto Detect and let Thunderbit analyze the directory. Look at this. A pop-up appears showing the AI found the Next Page button automatically. Thunderbit recognizes that this directory has hundreds of companies across multiple pages. So instead of just scraping the first few, I can tell it to move through the entire list. For this example, I'll set it to scrape 3 pages, but you can increase this to get hundreds of leads at once. Once that's set, I click Next. Now, Thunderbit shows me a preview of everything it's about to collect. It's grabbing the company name, the company profile link, and other useful details such as ratings, locations, services, and even social media links like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. I did not build this table manually. The AI read the page structure and created the data fields automatically. Once everything looks correct, I click Run Now. Thunderbit starts moving through the directory automatically. It loads the next pages, opens company profiles, and extracts the information. I am not clicking anything. The AI navigates through the pages and collects the data on its own, building a structured data set of real companies I can reach out to. When the process finishes, Thunderbit gives me a structured table with all the data it collected. You can see the company names, their profile links, locations, ratings, services, and their website or social media pages. This is powerful because these are not random contacts. These are real agencies already working in the exact niche connected to the tool I promote. From here, I export the table into Google Sheets. Now this sheet becomes my research list. The first thing I do is sort by rating and review count. Agencies with strong ratings and a solid number of reviews are usually active and trusted by clients. Next, I quickly scan the services column to confirm they focus on social media marketing. For example, this agency has a 5-star rating and more than 400 reviews. That is a strong signal. It tells me this business is active, trusted by clients, and still operating. So this becomes a good lead. Now I grab their website URL from the sheet and open their website. Most agencies have a contact page, a form, or an email listed in the footer or header of their website. If I can't find one, I just use the LinkedIn or Instagram links Thunderbit collected to find the owner or someone from the team. For this example, let's look at their contact page. But wait, this part is everything. Your message has to be useful. If you want a big agency to actually say wow and reply, you can't send a generic message. You have to show them you've done your homework. Take this agency, Atra, for example. If I look at their website for just 30 seconds, I can see they specialize in healthcare and law firms. I also see they have a specific strategy called Ascension trademark, and they brag about cutting cost per booking by 50% for their clients. That is my hook. I'm going to use their own words and their own results to show them how ManyChat makes their job even easier. Here is exactly how I would write that email to be short, direct, and professional. Hi Atra team, I found you on Clutch while researching top social agencies. I saw your Ascension trademark strategy and how you've cut cost per booking by 50% for your healthcare clients. I help agencies scale those results even further by using ManyChat to pre-qualify and book leads directly inside Instagram DMs. Would you be open to a 60-second video of the flow I use to automate this? See the difference? I use their brand name and their specific results. If they say yes, I send the demo with my ManyChat partner link. If they don't reply, no big deal. I send one friendly follow-up after 3 days. If there's still nothing, I just move to the next name on my list. This is the full process. You aren't just spamming links, you're reaching out to real businesses that actually need your help. It's data-driven, it's professional, and it actually works. If you want to learn more strategies like this, especially around email outreach and lead generation, comment email and I will share another valuable video with you. God bless, and I will see you in the next one.